In this video, I will demonstrate how to create the new help desk application needed to process support tickets. To begin, we will click Build Apps in the SharePoint portal menu. Click the icon in the upper right-hand corner to maximize your work area. To access the menu, simply hover over the menu, or to restore, click the same icon again. To add the new application, click Add App. Type Help Desk for the name of the application. Then click Next. Type Help Desk Process for the process model name. Move down to number of swim lanes and enter 5. Then click Next. At this point, the new application has been created and a process model has been laid out based on our specifications. I will begin by updating the labels in the model to match the requirements for this help desk application. Double-click on Lane 1 and type Requester. Then scroll down and double-click Lane 2 as Tier 1. Scroll down, click and double-click Lane 3 as Tier 2. Scroll down, click and double-click Lane 4 as Tier 3. Scroll down and double-click Lane 5 as Help Desk Manager. Once you've updated the labels on the model, click on Save and choose Save. Then close the success message. This completes the content for this video, and we're ready to move on to configuration. In this video, I will show you how to add and configure the Start task. Drag a Start task from the Human Task eForms onto the connector between Start and Stop. The Start task configuration window will open automatically. Click Add New Form. The name of the form is Help Desk Ticket. Click Next. Click Finish. The Form Designer will open so that we can configure the form. For form title, type Help Desk Ticket. Then close Form Settings by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner. Click on Common Controls and drag a text box into the first column. For the label, type Name. We will configure this form to reduce the amount of key entry that's needed by providing default values. For the name, we want the username. We will click on Process Data, System Data, drag user full name into default value. Then you can collapse the process data by clicking the arrow on the right-hand side. Next, click Behavior and click Read Only. This will ensure the accuracy of the information on the form. Close Field Settings. Next, drag a text box to the center column. For label, type Email. We will also set the default value for the current logged on user. Open Process Data, System Data, and drag User Email into the default value. Collapse the process data, click on Behavior, and check Read Only. Next, I'll scroll down and select the Date control. Since this is a help desk ticket and it's time sensitive, we'll choose Date and Time. Drag the date and time into the third column, and this will be Date Submitted. For the default value, choose Current Date. Click Behavior and uncheck Enabled. Close Field Settings by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner. Next, I'll scroll up and I'm going to choose a text area. This will be the issue description. Click on the Configure tab and check Mandatory. Close Field Settings by clicking the X in the upper right-hand corner. Then I'm going to hover over the right edge of the control and drag it across all 3 of the columns. Next, I'll hover over the control and I'll click to adjust the width. I'm going to drag it all the way to the right so that it fills the page. This completes the configuration for the help desk form. So I'll click Save, clear the success message, and go back to the application builder. We need to complete the configuration. Click Next. For the display name for the activity, it will be Submit Help Desk Ticket. After you've typed the name, click Next. Because this is the Start task, it's pre-configured for the process initiator. That means it's assigned to whoever submits the original help desk ticket. Click Finish. And finally, I will click Save to save my progress. Then clear the success message. This completes the content for this video.